There are cars on the street next to people on their feet, both breathing the same air, both breathing the same air. Regardless of income, possessions, and name, and your fame, and whoever you claim to be. In the grand scheme, we're all the same. We're all the same. There are places to go and things you should know about the world in which we live, about the world in which we live. It's a curious, mysterious place full of secrets and people who live in misery overseen. If we're all the same, then how can this be? How can this be? I know that I have a voice, and even that's not my choice, but I'll use it anyway. I'll use it anyway. Even though it might not be heard by enough people to help spread the word that I have some growing concerns for us all. But if we open our ears, may we minimize our fears. May we minimize our fears. We live in a time where everything moves too fast for our own good. We knew it would. So why don't we help each other more? We clearly could do it, but it's like we're at war with ourselves, with ourselves, with ourselves. If we open our minds to the possibility that things can change for the better for everybody, in a world where there's anger, confusion, and the wonder of how and when it will all come to an end. In the meantime, let's find more ways to be kind. Let's find the ways. What I consider like my first proper vocal record was came out in 2008.
Yeah.
So I would have been just 20.
So that's when I'm home, I'm not at home.
Yeah,
right.
Exactly.
Right, there's some of the best songs
well,
of that
yeah,
entire
maybe it's
time.
because I wasn't thinking about it too much.
They're amazing songs.
But at that time, my focus really was using the voice more as an instrument, and even in the recording process, like I'd often multi-track the voice, almost as if to hide the singular character of my own voice.
Yeah.
It's more like a choir.
It's not just me.
But yeah.
And here's the
Hello, sir.
The other singular character of his own voice.
Yeah.
Hello,
What's going on?
Did you go to the lake?
Yes.
Oh,
David and I sang a song there.
Can we go back there?
Well, you could ask your mom if she'll take you back. I think I've got to drive Anna into town now.
No, but can you please sing another song?
Oh gosh, that might be the only time I'll ever hear that.
Please sing another song.
Well, I would if I could, but I think I have to go now.